Alright guys, just work on the pilot house. Just take it out, everything out, take those the electronics, the radio, take everything out. Doing some new paint on inside. Paint inside the boxes. I put some heater on to help me to dry the paint. Ready to put this new carpet in. Get a new seats. Just get a new seats, Parker, and work on. That's my unit right here. I just take it off to work around. Big progress this week. A lot of rain outside and ice, but the diving grill boat will be ready before the season starts. That's a diving grill.